Professor George Magoha has hinted the possibility of reversing his position on when the schools ought to reopen, insisting that this will happen as soon as the Ministry of Health posts consistent declining infection rates. Magoha says that the teaching fraternity and other staff handling students will be trained on their roles and how to handle learners if the country is able to flatten the COVID-19 curve. Joel Chacha reports.
Professor George Magoha was on a tour to Migori County to assess the preparedness of learning institutions ahead of reopening in January 2021, has maintained government commitment to ensure safety of learners before the reopening of schools and other institutions of learning.
We had said, even for these colleges that were meant to open in September, at the opening in January, that should the situation change, we shall be ready and willing to look at the scenario once again. More specifically because of the teacher training colleges, because we need them to come and clear the students and and train the trainers that will help us with the intake, the first intake of teachers in May that are supposed to train teachers for competency-based curriculum.
Magoha stated that the ministry has brought in all the stakeholders to drive a common agenda of safety of the learners as the schools and institutions consider the best time of reopening.
We are doing everything possible, including ensuring that water is available, water sources and containers, sanitizers, and even we are in the process of providing masks.
Magoha, however, stated the government is keen on the trend of the coronavirus spread and hinted possibility of reversing their position as soon as the Ministry of Health confirms flattening of the curve.
If the situation should change, like the governor had said, then we will also change in the interest of our children.
He further stated their plan was to move around all the 47 counties to assess the state of preparedness, but regretted the level of preparedness was still low. However, Magoha reported that teaching fraternity and other staff handling students will be trained on their roles and how to handle learners at the time of the pandemic. Joel Chacha, Switch TV.